Ready to plan an ugly Christmas sweater party? These 3 holiday party and game ideas will help you branch out in your festivities. Hi, I'm Brittany, and my goal is to make it easy for you to create fun, laughter, and lasting memories with your family and friends. So be sure to subscribe for lots of game and party ideas, and check out our other Christmas games in the description down below. For our first ugly Christmas sweater party game, grab some poster board, printer paper, and lots of inexpensive festive holiday decor items like bows, tinsel candy canes, holiday foam stickers, and construction paper. On the printer paper, create blank lines for letters in popular holiday song lyrics, such as this one for Once in Royal David City or Then One Foggy Christmas Eve. At the party, divide into teams and give each one a poster board, then take turns guessing the letters in the lyrics. For each one that they get correctly, they can choose a decor item that they'll use to create an oh-so-fashionable ugly Christmas sweater. If they happen to have multiple letters, such as 2 D's in the lyrics, then they get to choose 2 items for that. Then once everybody's done, have them decorate their ugly Christmas sweater and vote for your favorite. Our second ugly Christmas sweater party game is a variation of the first one, but you hold an ugly Christmas apron contest instead. Just follow the same rules from the previous game, but you can make your aprons even more on point if you use holiday food theme stickers like these from Michaels. For our third ugly Christmas sweater party idea, you can create clay ugly Christmas sweater ornaments. Just purchase some air dry clay, large sweater shaped cookie cutters, and a set of small holiday cookie cutters that can be used to design the sweater elements. Then have an ugly Christmas sweater decorating competition. After your family or friends complete their sweater look, have them poke a hole at the top where they can later add a ribbon hanger and let it dry so that they can take it home and put it on their tree. To cut down on costs, I used white clay for the sweater base since it's cheaper for the larger amounts that you'll need. Then you can layer the decorative elements on top with colored clay. I'll put a link in the description with the materials I used in case it's helpful for you. You may want this to be the first activity at your party because the clay will need a few hours to start to dry before you want to move it. And you want it to let it continue to dry for 24 to 48 hours once it's at your guest's home before it's completely ready to hang up. You may also want to have one of these large spatulas on hand because since this clay will still be drying, at the end of your party you'll need a little bit of extra help to help get it off in a good shape. And our fourth ugly Christmas sweater party game is for those of you near sunny beaches or in snowy winter climates. For this game, fill several water bottles with water, and in each one put numerous drops of a food coloring. Then head outdoors and build some snowmen or some snowman shapes from beach sand. Make sure to add some snowman arms as well because you'll be shaping a snowman wearing a holiday sweater and using the water bottles to make it colorful with your ultimate ugly Christmas sweater design. If you want a little bit more precision as you create your design, you can always use cardstock to create templates with the shapes that you want, and then use them as you're spraying your design onto your snowman. I think that Frosty's going to be quite impressed by the style of his new friends. For more Christmas party game ideas, check out the links below. I hope your ugly Christmas sweater party is filled with lots of fun and laughter. If you enjoyed these ideas, be sure to give a thumbs up below and click the subscribe button because I post regularly with game and activity ideas that are sure to bring fun memories to your family time. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye!